Today we will discuss about accounting equation, practical application and problem solution. You know that before class we elaborated about equation formula, equation method. Okay, but today we will discuss about practical application or a solution. Before going to solution, at first have to know about this diagram or this is the equation. Asset is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. Asset is the asset, liabilities also liabilities plus owner's equity. We can break down two head, under two head, capital and retained earning. Again, asset is equal to liabilities plus capital plus retained earnings. Impact three types of item. Revenue, if revenue, then retained earnings plus, minus if expense, minus any drawings, withdraw. So you have mind it. Under retained earning, there are three items. Impact, revenue, if revenue come, plus, expense and drawing, minus. Okay. This is the equation formula. Now I am going to some transaction about accounting equation. At first, Harry purchased a gift. His daughter birthday is for taka 15,000. Harry purchased a gift for his daughter birthday. This is transaction or event or nothing. Anyone please answer me?
A transaction, sir.
How you call this transaction?
If I said it journal, then I will say something like purchase is debit and cash is credit.
Okay, but this 15,000, this 15,000 impact the company's finance or not? Company finance or company cash impact or not? This 15,000?
I wish that 15,000 is the company asset.
No, company daughter birthday. This is the gift he purchased. Harry purchased a gift his daughter birthday, but it is not company issue.
Okay.
Okay.
It's personal expenses.
Yes, it is a personal matters. Company, not issue.
So it will be. I wish it will be the equity of owner's equity.
This is the event, not transaction. There are difference, transaction and event. Every transaction we can call event, but every event we can not call transaction, because transaction must be change the company position, change the company finance scenario, change the company cash. Transaction we can call transaction, but event no change the company transaction, finance position, company's cash position, company scenario, no sense by event. Okay, so mind it very carefully, mind it, transaction and event. You have to first determine this is transaction or this is event. Okay, so this item no effect on company financial position, so we cannot consider in equation, journal, and accounting procedure. Okay. Then Harry purchased a pair of chair
Year of
for 25,
for Tata
paying for them by check.
25,000.
Check if you check related any item. Check is related with bank, directly related bank. Okay.
Then
So
transaction with bank.
Harry purchased a pair of share. Share means share.
আমার ব্যাগটা দেখি
Share. Which types of transactions share? Asset, expense, or income? Anyone?
Asset.
Asset, because they are
Share is
benefited next or future more than 1 year. So it is an asset. So versus asset increase or decrease?
asset increase স্যার
Increase.
হয়েছে।
Asset
Credit হবে
Decrease. It
asset
decrease.
increase. Against
স্যার
we
আসসালামু
pay.
আলাইকুম স্যার স্যার একটু নয়েজ আসতেছে স্যার একটু কাইন্ডলি যদি সবাইকে মিউট করে দেন বা কি হয় অনেক নয়েজ আসতেছে
কারো ইয়াতে নয়েজ আসছে।
Okay. Purchase share, a pair of share. Share is asset. Asset come or out or goes. This share is a you purchase, but share come on goes out. Which one?
come on sir
Come on. Come on is in plus or minus?
increase plus sir increase
Plus. Okay. Against you pay by check. So check related with bank. Bank money increase or decrease?
Bank decrease.
decrease sir
Decrease. Bank is also another kind of asset. Okay. Cash and bank all time is asset. Okay. So bank account decrease. So bank account is one kind of asset. So one asset increase, another asset decrease by a transaction. You follow the this a transaction, increase one asset balance by decrease another asset. That's mean asset side plus and asset side minus. You understand?
Yes, sir.
You understand?
স্যার একটু স্লাইড শো দিবেন স্যার মানে খুব ছোট দেখা যাচ্ছে স্যার স্লাইড শো না দিলে দেখা যাচ্ছে না
Right. So okay.
স্যার থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার
Okay. So one kind of asset increase, another asset decrease. That's mean in asset side plus and minus. So one side plus and minus. One side. Okay. Okay. Come to the another transaction. Transaction B. Harry bought purchase by same order. Harry bought a computer on credit. On credit on account. On credit, mind it, on credit on account. It is not cash related. Payment is next. Payment is next. Okay, the accrual basis. That's mean accrual basis. So Harry bought a computer. Computer asset or expense? Which one?
Computer.
Asset, sir.
Computer asset. Asset bought or purchase same. Asset increase or decrease?
Increase.
Increase. Asset increase plus or minus?
plus
Plus. Against on credit. On credit means
বাকি নাকি স্যার এটা অ্যাকাউন্ট
yes,
পেয়েবল
yes. Payment is next. Payment
payment next
is in next. So payment in next means you are liable to payable in future. You are
জি স্যার, অ্যাকাউন্ট পেয়েবল,
liable
অ্যাকাউন্ট
to payment in future. That's mean accounts payable. That's mean
Account payable.
account payable. All types of payable is a credit or liabilities. Okay,
Okay.
all types of payable is a credit and liability. Yeah. Okay. So on credit means payment in next. On kind of liability. Liability increase or decrease.
Decrease.
You thinking and
liability increase.
try to talking. On credit is another types of liability arise. That's mean increase. Okay, increase, not decrease.
Okay.
Not decrease. So increase. So liability increase plus or minus?
Plus.
Plus. And computer asset increase or decrease?
Increase.
Increase.
Increase. So both side are increase. B both side
Increase.
increase. The B increase asset balance by increase liability. Asset side plus, liability side plus. So both are plus. Both are increase. I try to MCQ question this item. One side increase or both side increase. One side increase, another side decrease. Like this. Okay. You are thinking and try to answer. Next. Transaction C. Harry paid taka 42,000 in cash to creditor. Harry
Okay.
paid cash. Paid cash means cash.
Yeah.
Cash out or in?
Out.
Out.
sir.
Cash is asset or expense?
Asset, sir.
Asset. Cash asset.
Yeah.
So cash out, that's mean asset increase or decrease?
Decrease.
Decrease. Sorry, asset side decrease. Against a creditor. Creditor means account payable. Okay.
পেয়েবল,
Yeah.
Account payable decrease or increase?
Decrease.
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 One kind of liability decrease and another asset decrease. Both are minus.
Decrease. Yeah.
Both are minus. This is decrease in asset balance by decrease in liabilities. Minus and minus.
এটার মানে হচ্ছে স্যার ওই হ্যারি আগের বাকি টাকা ছিল ওখান থেকে
Yes.
সেই বাইরে
Yes.
এখানে টাকা
This
দিচ্ছে,
transaction is before transaction, now
yeah,
paid.
exactly.
Now
Okay,
paid.
okay, understood, sir.
Another item, Harry borrowed a additional taka 1 lakh or in international student, you cannot understand the 1 lakh. Okay.
It's 100,000.
100,000 exactly.
Yeah.
100,000 from SME bank. So borrowed means one kind of liabilities. Borrowed, you just take a money from bank, but payment in next against condition.
Condition.
Any condition, you just collect money from bank, but you are you are bound
Yeah.
pay in next. Okay.
Yeah. Let me say something about that.
Yeah.
Harry
You are liable. You are
yeah.
liable to pay in future. So any types of condition to pay in future, it is a liabilities. It is a liability.
Liability.
Any condition you are bound, you are liable to pay in future. Okay, this is
Okay.
condition is the liability. This considered liability. So a borrowed means some money you taken
Yes.
with any condition in future payment. Okay.
Yeah.
Any condition future payment. So it is your liability. So one kind of liability increase from where? Bank. From where? Bank. Okay.
Yeah.
To make a payment directly to one creditor,
Yeah.
you take money to give another creditor. Okay. When you take money, it is a one kind of liability increase. When
Decrease.
when you payment one kind of creditor. Creditor means account payable. Okay. Liability.
Yes. Yeah.
Another liability decrease or increase when you try to payment.
Decrease and yeah, another liable is
Liability decrease. Okay.
decrease.
You
Yeah.
see the increase liability borrowed when you take money with condition, the
Yeah.
liability increase. When you
Increase.
payment another kind of liability, creditor means liability. So another
Yes.
kind liability
Is decrease.
one time increase and one time decrease.
Yeah.
Is the one side transaction decrease and increase. Okay.
Yeah.
Sometime I make or design a question MCQ. This transaction both side impact or one side impact. Okay, you try to correct answer like this. Okay.
স্যার এটা কোশ্চেন ছিল স্যার
Yes.
স্যার if I take the loan from the bank but don't pay it to the creditor, so my liability increases and the same time my asset also increases, sir.
Yes. When you separately try to transaction separately.
Right, sir.
You try to separately transaction, then you can cash increase and liabilities increase. And initially you paid, cash decrease, liability decrease. So same case. Same case. Okay.
Sir, this transaction is clear, sir. This transaction, whatever you have said, that is clear. But if I take the loan, but I need not to pay to it any creditor, in that case, my liability increases as I am taking the loan, as well as my asset also increases because that money is included in my account. Is it, sir?
Yes. But you initially payment. You take money, but you cannot input in cash. Okay. The taka the money you cannot put in your cash. You take.
স্যার
Yes.
এখানে যে কথাটা বাংলাতে বললাম স্যার, এখানে হচ্ছে 1 লাখ টাকা যে সে ব্যাংক থেকে পাইছে এবং তার যে আগের যে পাওনা ছিল ওটা ডিরেক্টলি ওটা পেমেন্ট হয়ে গেছে এরকম কিছু। 1 লাখ টাকা পাইছে আবার ডিরেক্টলি এটা তার আগে যে পেয়েবল ছিল ওইখানে সেটা চলে গেছে বা ওইখানে হয়ে গেছে, এরকমই তো নাকি স্যার? হ্যাঁ, তাহলে তো ওটা ক্যাশ হবে না স্যার, তাহলে তো সে ক্যাশে পায় নাই, ক্যাশ তো বাড়বে না স্যার।
Same date and instantly payment.
হ্যাঁ স্যার, তাহলে স্যার এটা হয় না, এটা তো তাহলে ক্যাশ হবে না।
When he any condition 2 hour, 3 hour, 6 hour, you put this money in cash, then you can the transaction the one side cash debit and liability credit. Then when payment after 2 hour, 3 hour, but there is no mention any timetable. Okay. So
right,
for example, is instantly this situation arise. Okay. Next, Harry introduced additional capital, extra capital by extra money into his business by taka 5,000. Harry introduced, Harry brings extra capital. Capital always time liability capital. So cash increase or decrease?
Increase.
Cash increase.
Cash increase, sir.
Asset increase. And
Asset also increase.
Side by side.
Liability is also increased.
Liability also increase. Exactly. This is this. So both sides are increased. Asset and liabilities capital. Okay, and final transaction.
Sorry, sir.
Yes.
Could you classify the difference between an asset and a capital? Can you make clear, please?
Yes, just you want to start a business, okay? You
Okay.
want to start a business, you bring money.
Okay.
You bring money is a capital, your capital. Okay, bring money is a capital.
Mhm.
So you bring money as in the name of capital. So cash increase in your organization or in your business.
Increase.
Cash increase.
Yeah.
Cash is one kind of asset. Asset increase mean asset increase. Okay. Side by
Okay.
side, capital also increase. Capital all time liability side. Okay.
Okay.
Clear or not?
Good.
Okay.
I got it now.
Final transaction. Harry withdrew a goods costing taka 8,000 from stock for a personal use. Personal use, he take money but withdraw
Okay.
for personal use. Okay. So withdraw. So cash box already decrease. Cash decrease. Okay. And drawing increase. I the primary stage I try to tell the three items involved with retained earning, revenue, expense, and drawings. Okay, three items. So here is the drawing, retained earning with retained earning minus, and cash minus your from your cash box. You just see decrease asset, decrease capital. Both side minus. You clear or not?
It's clear.
Okay. So this is the example and practical implication I tried to show according to you. But here it is one kinds of math. You just practice here. Okay. Plus minus. You try to design or try to fill up the option. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then I am going to another mathematical problems. Here, Beximco Textile Limited had following ledger balance on 1st June 2022. Cash at bank 500,000. Account receivable 1,50,000. Equipment taka 6 lakh. That means 600,000. Retained earnings 200,000. Accounts payable 15,000. And 1,000 share at the rate of taka 100. 1,000 share. Per share 1,000. Total share 1,000. Okay. Total taka 1,000 into 100. During the end of the month June 2022, the following transactions were completed. Okay. So this is the primary condition. Okay.
Yeah.
Primary condition you try to design.
স্যার পার শেয়ার 1,000 নাকি পার শেয়ার 100 টাকা 1,000 শেয়ার
1,000 share per share 100.
100 টাকা
Okay. Cash at bank 500,000. Cash at bank, asset or expense?
It's
Asset, sir.
Asset, sir.
Asset. This at 1st June, cash 500,000. Okay. You see or not?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Then account receivable. All kinds of receivable asset. Okay. You mind it.
Exactly.
And payable all types of payable is liability. Okay,
Yeah.
because you promise payment in next with condition. It is a payable, and receivable you are able to collect in future. You will collect the money in future with a condition. Okay, both are condition. One is future you collect, and one is you give in future with condition. So collection or collected or collection related with receivable, future collection related with receivable, and future payment related with payable. All kinds of payable liability and all kind of receivable asset. You mind it, okay?
Okay, sir.
So account receivable one kind of asset. So account receivable increase this account receivable 1,50,000. Okay, you see or not?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Then which item? Equipment asset or liabilities?
Assets, sir.
Asset.
Asset. You put it into the assets and equipment in the name of heading. Asset has a heading. Equipment 6 lakh. Okay. You some column and row you try to design. Okay. Then you transaction read and this column you writing. Okay.
Okay.
Equipment. Then equipment retain earning. Retain earning is retain earning is which side? Asset side or liability side? Retain earning,
Liability, sir.
liability side. You try to create a retain earning. This retain earning 2 lakh, 200,000.
Please explain, sir, about it, sir.
Retain earning is a liability side because retain earning and common stock. Common stock means pure capital, general capital, common stock, and retain earning also capital but related ownership. Also, retain earning means a portion of profit, a portion or profit are separately keep, separately keep. Okay, so it is a retain earning. So ultimately and finally, this is the portion of capital, but it is sometime are separately put it separately sometime. No long time for long, no for long time. That's short time are separately keep. Okay. There are differences, common stock and retain earning. Okay, both are capital.
Sir,
Both
company can use this money for the developing company, like purchase anything from this money, return earning.
Retain earning means a special occurrence or a special cases. They try to meet up from the retain earning. Okay, so for this retain earning are short period or keep a company short for a short period. Okay, ultimately finally give to the owner. Okay, finally. Okay, both are related with the owners. Capital.
That's the ownership. That's the ownership equities.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Then another return and then accounts payable. All types of payable are liability.
Liability.
First liability payable, which payable two types: accounts payable and note payable. Okay. Accounts payable, no written commitment, no written promise. Yes, that's orally. And note payable, when you when you promise with a documents, a deed, okay, a contract formality, officially. then you may use note payable, otherwise account payable. Because if you
Sir,
one
excuse
item
me, sir.
or one item you account payable, another item is a note payable. It is not a big crime. It is a very small crime. On the mathematical no impact. This this erodes. This erodes. Okay, it is a writing error. Anyone?
Sir, excuse me, sir. Sir, does it mean the note payable is some kind of bank draft or something?
Actually, officially, contact with deed or retained deed.
Right, sir.
Retained deed. And account payable, just promise maybe orally, not written documents, no written deed. Okay, just you orally promise
Right, sir.
like this.
Orally promise for next payment next.
Yes, or both are next payment. If you the mistake, the notes payable, you put it account payable column. You account payable, you put it note payable column. It is not a big crime. Okay, it's a minor crime. So no problems to matching the result. Okay, the result is a same, no impact. And then another capital, that's my common stock, 1,000 share and per share on 100. Then maybe 100,000 maybe.
100,000.
Yes, this is the common stock. Okay. Then you serially put it. June 1st purchase office equipment. One kind of asset. Okay, one kind of
Asset.
Asset increase or decrease?
Increase.
Increase. And against issue 6% note for same amount. You issue note. Issue note means you just sign a note, payment in next. Next. Promise you make a promise to pay in next time. So it is a note payable. It is a note payable liability.
Not payable. Sorry, sir. Not payable.
Not payable. One
But
kind
it's
of
not a
asset,
big crime, sir.
yes, one kind of asset increase and another types of liability increase. June 1st, you try to see. Equipment increase and note payables increase. Okay. When in plus increase plus, but
Sir, excuse me, sir. Sir, you said that purchasing something for about 1 lakh taka at 1st June with a 6% interest in not payable.
yes,
Why is that 6%, sir?
that's your condition 6%. You pay in
The
next.
condition is 6%. Why should we put that 6%? Will it be in asset or it will be in liability? I think it will be in liability. So if it is in liability, where does we have put in this?
6%.
Interest 6%.
Yep, interest
1 lakh 6,000.
Yes,
sir,
yeah, I know. I just try to clear you. You put it the item May 31st.
Okay.
This is the monthly transaction. Okay. This is the monthly transaction. Yeah. June 2. But business start which date? Business
it
start
starts on 1st June.
1st June. Your transaction?
My transaction has taken place. Again, it is in 1st June because purchasing office equipment for taka 1 lakh and issue 6% note for the same amount. It's written June 1.
Yes, I clear you. When you try to maintain the financial account period count in the balance sheet, your income statement, okay, in a financial or accounting period at the end of 6 months, at the end of 1 year. In this situation,
Okay, I understood, sir.
in this situation you can separate interest and principal. But in this case is a equation, is an impact, asset or liability impact. Okay. You start business June March, you put it June March, no chance to create interest. Okay. When you try to, after 6 months, after 1 year, you try to put it the entry, in this time you have to chance to create the principles plus interest. Okay, there must be there any condition are written, no hidden anything. But in this item, this interest calculation actually no clearly mentioned. Okay, no clearly mentioned. You count it or not. Okay, for this. Any question about this?
No.
Okay. So zone 2 purchase cotton and fabrics. Cotton and fabrics is one kind of asset. Okay. For taka 20,000 one credit on account in. That's mean you will pay next. You will pay next payable. So account payable or not payable, anything maybe increase.
Not payable, sir. Not
It's
payable.
decrease.
Payable increase. Fabrics
Decrease.
cotton is the asset increase. You see that to
Payable decrease.
true. Dyeing and manufacturing fabrics same. Okay. Dyeing,
Okay.
manufacturing fabrics. 20,000 increase. Increase you plus or not. Okay. Same. Okay. But minus,
Okay.
of course, you put it the minus sign. Okay. But plus, no need the sign in put it. And the account payable, 20,000 increase. Okay. Zone 5, the company collected 10,000 from the account receivable. Company collected 10,000. Collected 10,000. The cash increase or decrease?
Increase.
Increase. And
increase হবে collected না
from account receivable. Account receivable asset or liabilities?
It's
Account
asset.
receivable asset, sir.
Asset increase or decrease in this situation?
Increase.
Decrease, sir. Decrease.
Decrease.
Because of, sir, because of the company, when company start the first
collection cash from account receivable. Okay. Transaction number 5. Cash increase and account receivable decrease. And decrease minus sign or bracket. Bracket means minus, huh? Bracket means
Minus.
Okay. 9, transaction number 9, paid for supplies expense for taka 15,000. Paid for supplies. Supplies means the stationery. Very tiny, very simple transaction. Tape, pen, like this, like a small device for a company. Okay. Rope, tape, pen, okay, ink, like this small types of device. So it is stationery. Paid for supplies expense 15,000. Cash increase or decrease?
Decrease.
Decrease. This is the expense.
Yes.
Cash decrease. And another expense is related with
account payable decrease.
Who is account payable?
Sorry.
Paid supply expense. You paid one kind of expense.
Sorry, sir.
Decrease, sir.
Expense related with
liability.
Retained earnings.
Retained earnings.
Retained earnings. There are three items related retained earnings. First, revenue or income, retained earning increase, and expense return earning decrease, and
Yeah.
drawing return earnings decrease. You mind it, 3 times item. So return earning decrease and cash decrease. Both sides are minus. This is 9. Cash minus and return earning minus. Comments
Sir,
and
one question.
yes.
First time I asked you about it, sir, return earning. This money is ownership equity. But I asked you, sir, this money can expense for the developing company like a purchase or anything. But I think, sir, you said this is temporarily capital. This is not in fact for the company.
Actually, this is the standard of financial accounting. Expense revenue must be impact with your retained earning, no capital. Okay, this is the standard. This is the standard because this is the rules. It is a no, you cannot violation the rules. If your expense revenue drawing three types of item or 3 types of account must be considered with retained earning. Okay, is standard level accounting, but not standard type accounting. They try to impact with capital. Okay, but this is the standard accounting. So you have to follow these rules and regulations because financial accounting must be follow rules and regulations. Okay, but cost accounting, managerial accounting, and other accounting just sometimes try to rules, regulations, sometimes try to at the decision making. Okay, they try to rules mandatory something not mandatory. Okay, it's other accounting, but financial accounting rule based accounting. So this is the rules. Your return earning, you impact return earning or capital, but standard level is the return earning. Okay, because is return earning is for a short period you keep, and expense is a short time for this. Okay. Another 15, purchase a dye materials. Dye material asset or expense?
Expense, sir.
Expense of the dye
Dye
material.
materials.
The material.
Dye materials, not materials. Dye materials. Materials. You
What
just
kind of materials?
materials you want to produce.
Coloring something.
Want to produce a fabric, cotton or cloth. Okay, you just buy a raw material. So it is a one kind of asset, no expense.
Asset, sir.
Asset. So asset increase 20,000 for purpose dye fabrics one account. One account means payment in payment
Bank.
payment
Bank,
next. Payment in future. One account, one credit. To mind it. One account
payable.
One account on future it will come.
Payment future. So it is one kind of payable. Okay. So account payable increase and asset increase. Both sides increase, asset and liabilities. This is the asset side, this is the liability side. 20,000 increase and account payable 20,000 increase. Okay. 20, paid insurance premium expense 10,000 per month. Expense paid, insurance premium expense. So asset decrease and return earning decrease because expense.
Yeah.
20. Cash decrease. Return earning.
Premium is temporary expense.
Premium is an expense always time because it's just recurring on your organs. Every month you are bound to pay every month. It's a regular transaction. Regular transaction is an expense or nominal account. That's mean regularly, and others is the asset. Okay. 25, the company paid advertising 10,000 and payroll. Payroll means salary. Okay, payroll means salary. Salary expense and advertising expense, both are expense. Both are expense. Cash minus and return earning minus 25. 25. Cash minus 10,000, cash minus 40,000, and
minus.
minus return earning 10,000, 40,000. Then you asset side, every asset side you calculation plus minus total this, account receivable plus minus this, equipment plus minus this, dying all are plus this. Then asset side you calculation and summation 12,80,000. Okay, in this asset side. Another liability side, account payable plus minus, note payable plus minus, common stock plus minus, and return plus minus. Then you finally the summation 12,80,000. Okay, this is the equation. And another equation I try to maybe assignment, maybe forum, maybe e-learning. You try to answer the question within the first code. Easy or difficult this?
Sir, both, sir.